On this accord, B0011 is an SRS fault that may point to the front passenger airbag inflator circuit. The driver may simply see an SRS warning light, and the system may limit normal airbag operation while the fault is present. In broad terms, this can involve the passenger airbag inflator side, the dashboard harness, the SRS unit connector, or the SRS unit itself. Because this is an airbag circuit, start by finding out whether the vehicle has been in a collision. If it has, make sure the required SRS components were replaced with new components of the correct part number and installed correctly. Also use the normal SRS safety routine and battery disconnect and reconnect procedure before touching the circuit. First, verify the problem. Clear the DTCs with the HDS. Turn the vehicle to the on mode and wait for 10 seconds, then check for DTCs again with the HDS. If B0011 comes back, the failure is duplicated and you move into circuit isolation. If it does not come back, treat it as an intermittent condition for now. If other codes are present, check what they mean first instead of chasing this path blindly. Next, isolate the front passenger airbag inflator from the harness side. Turn the vehicle to the OFF lock mode. Disconnect the negative cable from the 12-volt battery and wait at least 3 minutes. Lower the glove box, then disconnect the front passenger airbag inflator 4P connector on the dashboard wire harness. Connect SRS simulator lead J to the SRS inflator simulator using the 2 omega connectors. Then connect lead J to that passenger airbag inflator 4P connector on the dashboard wire harness. Reconnect the negative cable to the 12-volt battery. Clear the DTCs with the HDS. Turn the vehicle to the on mode. Wait for 10 seconds and check for DTCs again. If B0011 is still indicated, keep going to the open wire check. If B0011 is no longer indicated with the simulator in place, the diagnostic path points to an open in the front passenger airbag first or second inflator. Replace the front passenger airbag, then clear the DTC. Now check the RA1 and RA2 wiring for an open. Turn the vehicle to the OFF lock mode. Disconnect the negative cable from the 12-volt battery and wait at least 3 minutes. Disconnect SRS unit connector A, the 39P connector. Then disconnect the SRS inflator simulator from SRS simulator lead J, but do not disconnect SRS simulator lead J from the front passenger airbag inflator 4P connector on the dashboard wire harness. With the vehicle still in OFF lock mode, the passenger inflator 4P connector disconnected from the airbag and connected to simulator lead J. An SRS unit connector disconnected, measure resistance between the black terminal and the red terminal of SRS simulator lead J. The decision point is 1.0 ohmega or less. If the measurement is 1.0 ohmega or less, the RA1 plus, RA1, RA2 plus, and RA2 wires are considered okay in this check. At that point, look closely at SRS unit connector A, the 39P connector, and the connection at the SRS unit. If the connection is okay, the path allows replacement of the SRS unit. Before replacing the SRS unit, check its software version with the HDS. If the software is not the latest version, update the SRS unit software and retest. If the DTC still does not clear after that path, replace the dashboard wire harness. If the resistance is not 1.0 ohmega or less, the path points to an open in the dashboard wire harness. Replace the dashboard wire harness, then clear the DTC. Keep verification separate from the pinpoint tests. After any supported repair or software update, clear the DTC and confirm B0011 stays gone under the same basic check. The key is to use the simulator to separate an inflator side open from a harness or SRS unit side problem. Then make the resistance decision at the RA circuit before replacing anything. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.